dreams?
It's time to wake up, dude.
I had a dream about that girl again.
I didn't care the first time you told me. Care even less now.
Toronto, Canada. Not too long ago.
Hey, wanna go out sometime?
You want to go on a date with me?
Ramona Flowers has 7 evil exes, all of whom you must defeat in order to date her.
What?
Scott Pilgrim. Scott Pilgrim. Ramona Flowers. Matthew Patel. Wallace Wells. Lucas Lee. Stacy Pilgrim. Indiana. Kim Pine.
This info dump was inevitable.
Julie Bowers. Todd Ingram. Gideon Gray. Young Neal.